You can make extra money straight to your PayPal just by reading emails and taking simple surveys. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 easy ways that you can get started today. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some extra money by reading emails and taking surveys. A lot of people think that this type of work is a scam, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. These are legitimate ways for anyone to make some extra cash. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, a college student, or someone who is just looking for some extra income, this video is for you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Also, let us know your questions and thoughts below or video topics you want us to cover, as we always take your comments into consideration and love hearing from you all. Many people find that the most time-consuming work is searching for something productive to do. Making more money outside of your daytime job is a fantastic way to pass the day. Fortunately, with the advent of the internet, there is no longer anything stopping you from getting on board. Businesses conduct market research to learn more about their consumers' needs and how the market is evolving. Surveys are conducted online, and they pay individuals to complete them. This is where regular internet users come in handy. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Emails, which are a critical tool for both businesses and people, have been converted into marketing and advertising vehicles that allow companies to increase their reach even more. So where can you get paid to read emails? 1. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars enables you to earn money in a variety of methods, one of which is paid reading emails. Once you sign up, all you do is select the option to receive these kinds of offers. You'll be compensated for reading and opening emails periodically. It's also a good idea to consider taking part in some of Inbox Dollars' other money-making activities, such as surveys, watching videos, and surfing the web. So, even if you don't have any more emails to read, you may still earn some additional money. You will also get a free $5 welcome bonus just for signing up with Inbox Dollars and verifying your email address. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another platform that provides many opportunities to engage with brands. The major benefit of this platform is that users don't have to keep checking their email inbox while they wait for the website's email. Instead, they may read the emails in their Swagbucks account's website inbox right away. Most emails request the user to take a survey, but some are commands that the recipient must follow in order to get their prize. To get you started, Swagbucks will give you $5 for free just by signing up, not to mention 10% of your friends' earnings as long as they stay a member. 3. InboxPays. InboxPays gives you 3 paid emails each day per account. This is an interesting option since the emails are considered supplements to the site's additional features, such as market research. The disadvantage of this website is the high minimum cash-out requirement of $50 when compared to the earnings potential for a user. However, the website's $5 sign-up bonus is a noteworthy takeaway. 4. My Points. Bonus mails are the name used for My Points emails that pay you to read them. It's one of the quickest methods to get compensated to read emails in any currency, including cash or gift cards. User emails are sent after the user joins an email newsletter on the website. You may get rewards for merely opening emails, as similar to the features of this website where you may make money after watching a video or playing a game. So if you're enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We'd appreciate it. So let's get back to it. 5. FusionCash. You may also make money by reading emails on FusionCash, a business that offers numerous other ways to generate cash. That is, like some of the other platforms on this list. You may also profit from playing games, completing surveys, and more. Every day, you'll get 1 to 3 emails per day. Some of these will be messages informing you about discounts rather than actual emails that you're paid to read. One of the best things about FusionCash is that its platform makes it very clear what is required in order to get paid. Some websites need you to browse through a few pages before seeing what's truly required, but here you'll see exactly what you need to do right away, allowing you to determine whether it's worthwhile for you. 6. Quick rewards. Unlike the majority of the websites previously mentioned, Quick Rewards does not simply pay people for reading emails. They issue emails with steps that must be followed first in order to get a reward. Microtasks on this website, on the other hand, can be relatively simple because they are generally just tasks to engage with websites in order to increase traffic. 7. InboxPounds. InboxPounds is the UK version of Inbox dollars, so you don't have to live in North America to take advantage of these deals. Not only will joining up with InboxPounds give you £1 as a free welcome bonus, but if you get friends to sign up using your referral link, you'll collect 30% of what your recommended friends earn forever. 8. Cash Crate. Cash Crate is unique among the other platforms in that it does not provide its own ways to earn money by reading emails. Instead, in recent years, it has evolved into a directory of other websites that provide similar services. Ibotta, for example, is one of the most well-known cashback sites. Others that we highlighted before in this list, such as Swagbucks and MyPoints, are also included. While you won't join up directly with Cash Crate to get paid to read emails, it's a good idea to check it every day for fresh ideas on how to make money this way. 9. Paid to read email. Paid to read email does exactly what its name implies. It gives another site where you may get compensated for receiving emails for free. It does, despite its name, provide surveys. However, if you're trying to take surveys for money via PayPal, I'd recommend sticking to some of the larger sites we listed earlier. Yet, one of the site's most appealing features is its relatively low payout maximum of only $15. This implies that you should be able to transfer your money to yourself quite quickly. It's worth noting that the paid-to-read emails reviews you'll discover online are often accompanied with a slew of new customer inquiries regarding whether paid-to-read emails is legit or not. Most of the comments agree that paid-to-read emails is legitimate and that you will be paid, but don't expect to make a fortune. 10. Cash for Offers. While Cash for Offers offers a variety of methods to earn money, it mostly pays people to scan emails. You'll only get 2 paid emails every day, so your inbox won't be overflowing. All you have to do now is open the message and click the confirmation link to receive your money. According to a brief Cash for Offers review, you may sign up for this service from anywhere in the world and earn the free $5 sign-up bonus. However, you can only get compensated emails if you live in the United States. They'll aim to send these to everyone else, but you might not be eligible for all of them. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notifications bell so that you can keep up to date with new content releases. Also, leave your questions and thoughts below.